Hello, my name is Mahima and I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn about outliers, how we can calculate outliers using if and abs function. Okay, so as you can see, this is my data set. Okay, data set for G company for 1995 to 2000. Okay, and this is the graph which I had created using this data set. Okay, and this is the descriptive statistics I had calculated using this data set, this whole data set. Okay, so if you want to learn how you can calculate descriptive statistics, already I had created a video. You can check that video in I button. Okay, so let's talk about outliers. What exactly outliers means? Okay, so if you look at this graph, you can easily differentiate between these points and this point. Okay, this point is going out of the pattern of the data. So this point is not following the pattern of the data. Okay, so outliers are data that are inconsistent with the mean pattern of data. So you can see this data point is inconsistent with the main data pattern. Okay, so outliers can be measured by a multiplier of standard deviation. This one is standard deviation or another set deviation from the mean value. So for example, this is the chart I had created of the G data. We can observe that second data value, this one, is an outlier. Okay, we can say any value above 0.12 or below minus 0.08 is an outlier. Okay, this data set value for G is plus 0.19. This figure may imply that something significant happened to GE as a company during quarter 1995, that something affected the national economy or that they faced any number of unpredictable situations. The second data value is the only outliers in the last 5 years of quarterly data for GE. You can see that this is the only data point which is not following the pattern of data. Okay, it seems that the mean and standard deviation, are accurate measures of the behavior of G stock market. Okay, so we can identify outliers by looking at a chart of data as we can identify here. Okay, or we can actually locate value in the data set that are greater than plus 2s and smaller than minus 2s. Here S stands for standard deviation. So we will calculate outliers using if and abs function. How we can do that? Let's learn. So first we will calculate outliers using if function. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll type here if function. So this is the if function. Okay, so next I'll use abs function. Okay, now this is the data value minus mean. Okay, I am locking this cell because I want to vary this data value B3 to B26, but I want to fix this value mean, this cell. I want to fix this cell. This is why I had locked this cell. Okay, now I'll close the bracket. Then what I'll do, I'll type here greater than sign, then 2, then multiplication sign, then standard deviation. Again I'll lock this cell. Okay, now what I'll do, if this value is not between plus 2s and minus 2s, then type outlier. Okay, otherwise type blank. Okay, leave it blank. Okay, so I am giving a space. Now I will close the bracket. Okay, so what I'll do, so as you can see, this is the only outlier present in our data. So it is representing as outliers. Okay, and rest it leave as blank. Okay, so now let's move to another formula. The another formula we will use conditional formatting. Okay, to do so, first select this range. Okay, this complete whole range B3 to B26. Then click on home, then conditional formatting, then new rule. Okay, then click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, so what our formula is, type here abs, then our range is B3 to B26. Okay, B3 to B26. Okay, then minus sign, then this mean value. I'll close the bracket. If this is greater than 2s, standard deviation. Okay, then represent the value with red color. Okay, I'll click on OK. Okay, as you can see, this one was the outlier and now it is in red color. This is how you can calculate outlier using if and abs function. These are the two methods to calculate outliers using if and abs function. Okay, so it's a request to all of you. If you are new at my channel, please do subscribe the channel, and if you like my video, press the like button, share it with your family and friends, and do let me know in comment box in what topic you want me to make a video. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.